till I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. So before we dive in deeper, I wanna get to know you well. You well. And the only thing that's better is you and me together.
Hi guys, this is Lillian from Enki Johnson's blog, and today we are going somewhere. Probably shopping. And today I'm gonna show you guys. I'm going to drive my truck. Okay, guys, and I will be with Dennis Edwards. So guys, I will be driving this. The name of this truck is Ruby Red. So I will be driving this. I did, yeah. So you push it twice. So in the Ford-150, this is you run it, and yeah, I'll be driving. So let me drive. Take over. So guys, we will be driving. This. Woohoo! Lap yung nguso, oh. Hey, Mr. DJ. Okay, stop muna. That's a genuine hot dog. He's trying to scare me. Eddie, this is truck. I can climb in the hill. Bye-bye! Love you! Okay. Ooh. Nice car. Not truck. Nice truck. Sexy ng driver ko. Basta driver, sweet lover. The queen of the house. Bye, NK Johnson. I know pala. Johnson, Fort Johnson. Guys, we are heading to the mall. Ooh, social nito. Ang init na ng puwet ko. Oo, kasi may ano na. Pili mo ano, adjust. Adjust. O yan, ipakita mo din na may heater. May heater yung puwet mo. Upuan mo. Baka lumiyab yung puwet ko din. I can't always say, honey, you know what? I always say like, Han, my butt is hot. And of course, your heart is always hot. You're always hot. Always hot. Because one time, sometimes I forgot, and then like my butt is hot. I wish I have like this. Yeah, I can buy this. Like pag uwi ako ng 5 in the morning, it was really cold. Yeah. So I just like toot toot. Okay. Okay, play pa rin o off? Off na natin. So yeah, this is the county road. Come on, get out there. Country road. So we're going to the mall. Dalhin ko yung madam ko. Yung madam ko. Dalhin ko siya sa mall. Gonna have manicure. And school. High school, di ba? Only high school? High school. Sherry is there. Ano yan, di ba? Pang payaman. Notre Dame. Catholic school. So that's Catholic school. Okay. Tapos after that, merong Walmart. Makita tayo kasalubong ano. Ang ginagawa ng crazy Asians na mga vlog pa more. We almost there.
So guys, I'm driving like 52 miles per hour because this is only like at least probably 50.
55 or 50
I
miles?
think 50 or 55. So yeah, I love to drive truck too because they are very safety. Kasi malaki siya eh. Hindi ka mas agad.
You feel safe.
And my butt is hot, guys.
Well, according to your husband, you're always hot.
Because we have a heated seats, guys.
Yeah.
Mostly now
Jealous.
it's winter, you know.
I'm jealous. Okay, then.
Now we
They
are
have
in
McDonald's.
the city.
Now that's the city, guys. Of
From my
course,
house.
that's the Walmart. Big Walmart. And then that's the hospital, St. Francis Hospital. They have
We have everything here.
everything
Just nearby
here.
the house.
There's hotels. Yeah, hotels. And then another hotel. There's hotel and then another hotel. Target Mall.
You need to break it
Oh,
up.
another hotel. The door. Yeah, that's just a new one. 2 years old pa lang yan. Yeah, and the big hospital here, St. Francis.
And we can see the hotel there, the Holiday Inn that she used to use.
Yeah, that's a holiday. I
Yeah.
used to work as a housekeeper before. Tapos that's the interstate. Parang expressway na sa atin. See, ang galing ano? From the country na ano,
Country city.
Country City, ilang kembot lang, then
Yes.
city. Yan, ang daming hotel dito, guys. Yan, like Hampton Hotel, Dury Hotel, Holiday Inn. Kasi nga, Outback. So we're going, asan yung mall?
Astig ba, guys?
Right?
Stig ba? O yung
Stig.
driver ng natin dito. Nakita mo sarili mo?
Hindi ko, paano ba ito mas...
Ikot mo
Eh,
lang.
Kaya pala. I'm the madam for today.
Yung driver.
She's my driver. Yan guys, yan, interstate na yan.
Going to
Going to our house, Mississippi. To our place, Mississippi. Basta straight lang, 2 hours lang. Sarap naman ang may driver. Sana ganun talaga everyday. Meron akong taga-drive. Ang hirap dito, lagi ka na lang driver. Yan, dyan ako before nag-work. Holiday Inn. I was thinking sa left yun, Day. Mall pala.
Magkano kayo?
Okay,
Doon ako dadaan sa ano.
hindi na talaga ako nakatira dito. Yan, JCPenney.
Di pa tayo nag-lunch.
Oo nga, no? I want panda.
You want panda? Panda is there. Do you want some kape and me?
Yan. Sa Holiday Inn. Diyan ako nag-work. Ang hirap naman ng vlogger.
Hindi naman dali kaya nga kayo need assistant eh.
Grabe na, te. Dalawang hawak ko. Look at that. Oh, hawak ko pa yung kanyang camera. No, akin pa. Ano ba?
Wala mo akong driver eh.
Ayaw yung driver ko. Ang hirap pala ng no. Kala nila yung being a vlogger is easy. No. You have to do the editing. Tapos, isip ka pa ng kung anong concept, anong i-vlog mo. Tapos, marami. Vlogging is not easy. Tapos, gagastos ka pa kahit wala ka pang sahod. Kaya, hindi yung easy na work. Mahirap din siya talaga. So, huwag kayong magsabi na, oy, vlogger lang. Wag ganun, ha? Mahirap yan. Yan ang mall.
Super laki ng
West,
park natin, guys,
yan
kaya
pala yung West Park Mall palang.
ang kinin ko yung dalawang spot.
Ay, malalaglag yung aking camera.
Sige.
Okay.
Ayan, guys. Tapos na tayo at dumating na tayo dito, guys.
Old Navy, JCPenney.
So we are here. Ay. Okay.
Let's
Yan
go,
siya, guys. Yan lang naman, guys. Tapos na tayo, guys. And
Bakit naging busy ang ano?
so, guys, inangkin ko yung buong spot. Okay. Lamig na eh. Okay, guys. I need a mask. I have a mask here. You want a mask? Meron ka?
Yep. Yes.
Super lamig, guys. Talaga, guys. Yeah, guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, I'm driving with my Ford truck, guys. Yan guys. So guys, thank you for watching. This is NK Johnson's vlog, and yeah, keep updated and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys, to those not subscribed yet, and please be updated and so that hit that kalimba, the bell button, guys. Okay guys, bye bye, and bye bye Calvin.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you inside.
No, I'm gonna bye bye na because this is just the content that I'm driving the truck.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.